Sit or lie down comfortably in relaxed position. Gently close your eyes. Follow my voice. Let's try to go beyond the words and let's focus what we are feeling during this meditation. Gratitude helps us see how the life around us is actively supporting, nurturing, and generously providing for us. It removes greed and feelings of isolation, fear, worry, and scarcity. It helps us remember the abundance already in our life. Let's now offer gratitude to the source of all that is, the animating spirit found in all life, and the higher power of our understanding. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for this gift of breath that sustains us. Thank you for the heart that serves us restlessly and unconditionally. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you for providing me with the food, water, shelter, clothing, sleep, friends, community, and the ability to contribute to the well-being of others. Thank you for this body and the mind just as it is. Thank you for the ability of the body and mind to heal and repair itself. Thank you also for illness and the afflictions that help me better appreciate the health I have. Thank you for wholesome, loving relationships, laughter, and romance. Thank you for the beauty and wisdom of nature. Thank you for the splendor of flowers, the magnificence of trees, the warmth of the sun, the elegance of clouds, the grandeur of the starry sky, the peace of still waters. Thank you for the animals of this world. Thank you for their beauty, their wisdom, their joy, their playfulness, and their love for life. Thank you for giving me all that I need to learn, grow, love, and enjoy life. Thank you for all the gifts, skills, and talents you have blessed me with. Thank you for kindness, compassion, forgiveness, peace, joy, appreciation, love, and freedom. Thank you for the inner silence, stillness, spaciousness, and the peace, wisdom, and ease it offers. Thank you for giving me problems and difficulties that help me deepen my compassion for myself and others and help me grow spiritually. Thank you for helping me to shed my ego and live from position of truth and love. Thank you for the courage to live with authenticity. Thank you for my capacity to love myself and others unconditionally. Thank you. Thank you. Now continue to offer genuine, heartfelt thanks using your own words and feelings. Feel free to be grateful for the special things and people in your life. Nice. Now let's come out to the awakened state. Slowly open your eyes and feel fresh and energetic.